Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create solder mask openings, also known as windows, for cover areas or chassis in EasyEDA Pro, and how to remove solder mask layer when needed. In PCB design, sometimes we want a certain cover area to stay exposed instead of being covered by solder mask. For example, when we need to solder a shielding can, make a ground pad, or improve heat dissipation. In these cases, we can use open window and remove solder mask operations to achieve that. Let's start with how to create a solder mask opening for a cover area or chassis. First, select the field cover region or chassis you already drawn. Then right-click on it, and in the pop-up menu, find the Add option. On the Add, select Add Solder Mask Region. Once you click it, a solder mask opening will be instantly added to that area. This method is very convenient and works great for quickly modifying the solder mask properties of a single object. Next, let's move on to removing the solder mask or restoring the cover. If you want a certain chassis to be covered with solder mask again instead of staying exposed, go to the Layer Manager on the right side of the interface. Switch to the top solder mask layer. Select the previously opened area and press the Delete key. This will delete the existing solder mask opening, so the copper underneath will be covered again, restoring it to the normal solder mask covered state. To summarize, you can quickly add solder mask opening to cover areas to chassis using the right-click menu. Deleting the solder mask opening restores the covered surface. By using this feature flexibly, you can easily control which cover area are exposed or covered, helping your PCB design stay both functionally, reliable, and visually neat. Alright, that's it for this lesson. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.